Hello friends, we are now drawing a rabbit. A rabbit should have a long ear. So, the ears of rabbit are very long and its tail is also drawn. And this is a baby rabbit. Now, we are drawing a house. This house is in the shape of a pineapple. And we're giving orange color to this house, and on the top we should give green color to the leafy structure, and we can also add some trees and flowers or other plants near the house. And finally, adding sun and clouds in the sky makes it more attractive and realistic. We are now drawing a fish. Where does a fish live? Yes, it lives underwater. It can breathe underwater and survive in water. We cannot survive in water, so you shouldn't try living underwater. Now we are drawing a tree. We have drawn its branches. What is there under the tree? There is a house, and the house has a fence. Then some smoke is coming out of the chimney of the house, and we can add some leaves on the tree and thus make it colorful. Here again we're drawing a house. Near the house there are some trees, there is a chimney for the house, and we can add some smoke that is coming out of the chimney, and that can be drawn using some lines or some cloud-like structures, and we can give color to this picture. Here is a 69. From the numbers 6 and 9 we are going to create an amazing picture. What is this? A mother bird is feeding the baby bird. Wow, this is such a lovely item. And we can go to our next item. Here is a home, and this house is a multi-story building. And we can draw some trees near the house. There should be a road to the house, and that's it. We can color it. Here is a rabbit. What is the rabbit doing? This rabbit is eating a carrot. Which is a favorite food of rabbit? It is carrot. So we can finally give colors to the rabbit and the carrot also. And this is the final item in this video. And this is a pretty charming girl. We can draw her dress and her legs and thus finalize it.